My name is Madhu and I work in the Mississauga library system. Today we learn how to paint your own mug, and things you need for this project are a bowl, nail polish, tape, a cup and plastic. So our first step in this project is to cover this bowl with plastic. This we are doing it to prevent any nail polish stains in the bowl. So let's cover. Next step in this project is to cover the rim and back of the cup with tape to prevent nail polish stains. So let's begin. So our cup is all covered with tape, and I'm using this bowl instead of big one for the purpose of video making. You could always use a bigger bowl, which is more convenient. Next, I'm going to fill this bowl with lukewarm water, and remember the water should be lukewarm to get effective results. Our bowl is filled with warm water. Next, I'm going to dip nail polish into the water. Just remember the nail polish should be new, not very old, and the consistency should be thin enough to drip into it, which means it should be drippable. So let's begin. And this process has to be done quickly. I mean to say the dripping part. Here. I'm going to use an other color. Now I'm going to take my cup, which is already covered, and dip it in water. So you got some color over here. I'm going to try again. You got some color over here. As I would like to have some more color over here, I'm going to drip some more nail polish, and that too quickly. Now I'm going to dip the side which doesn't have any design. Okay, so I got some design over here. So this cup has to stay dry for at least 24 hours. So the cup I recently painted is this one, which is still very wet, and I'm going to show you my other tries. So here is my first try. It's okay. And my second one, a little better. And my last and the final one is this one, which I'm really proud of. So you can customize your own cup and give it as a present to your mom, dad, or a friend on any special occasion. Thank you for watching. Make sure to log into our website for details on what's coming and our 24/7 digital services, ebooks, audiobooks, and more.